So here's a quick video about the next aero mod on the Nissan Leaf. This is the first gen. So these are 3D printed. They're smooth on the back and the top and the sides. I wish they had a little kind of mounting screw or something so you could connect it behind these grills. So the only way to really connect it is with the Velcro, which is okay. I don't know why I picked white, but I did. This has been in here about a week and they haven't shifted forward any. I wish they fit back a little better. That's why I think, actually I originally tried to glue hardware on the back of these so I could mount it to this grill, but the glue didn't take for some reason. It just came off. So this, if you see these openings, this is covering, basically if you go 3 of these over, it's covering up that much of the grill. And I don't think this needs a lot of cooling in here, really. There's a AC that would probably need it in the summer. Less of an issue in the winter. And I did actually have some 3D printed parts that covered this, but I decided to take them out to leave that open. But at least with each side of this covered, it will deflect the wind around the sides of the car a little bit better than it had before. So it's kind of how the front of it looks now. So it blends in quite well. You can kind of see the Velcro, which kind of bugs me, but whatever. And then these are still holding up quite nicely. The pedals for the wheels, all of them are on. The only thing about these, now I still like the design, you just have to be really careful taking them off because there's not a lot of room to get your finger in here to take these off. Other than that, those are doing quite nicely as well. So there's a little update.